Welcome back to Cord Wars Halloween Edition Championship Round. Switching things up for the Championship Round, we're going to have the ladies go out and pick a paracord and try and stump the other. Let's get it on! So we are following Nika right now, and we're going to go see what color cord she's going to get to try and stump Rory. All right, Nika, what did you go with?
I went with Newton.
Newton. All right, she's going Newton 550 paracord. All right, so now we're following Rory for her 550 paracord. Oh, she went down to the wrong lane. Okay, we got to go down to the other lane.
I'll grab one. Yeah, I guess I'll hold it like that.
So we have Autism Awareness for Rory. We're going to start with Nika's 550 paracord first. We'll see if Rory can guess it correctly. All right, Nika, show Rory your 550 paracord.
It's not creamsicle.
It is not creamsicle, correct?
Is it Orange Crush?
Oh, it is not Orange Crush. I am sorry. Why don't you tell her what it is, Nika?
Newton.
Oh, I wouldn't have gotten that.
Rory, show Nika your 550 paracord. What's going through your head?
Is it Autism Awareness?
Yes, it is.
Wow, Nika takes home the championship with Autism Awareness. Nika taking home the championship, and you know what we're going to give her as a prize? Nika, you win a Paracord Planet sticker. Because it is Halloween themed, we're going to hook you up with some Halloween 550 paracord.
Happy